Welcome to the Mayor's Message on November 19th, 2020. I'm Mayor Ron Jensen. COVID cases statewide have rebounded to where we were during the 4th of July period. At the time, those levels were so alarming they caused Governor Abbott to issue a statewide mask mandate. County judges have begun reaching out to the governor's office asking for more local flexibility to curtail gatherings and activities. UT Southwestern says that Thanksgiving could prove to be the most problematic holiday of this pandemic yet. They are predicting that by the end of November, we will see 2,500 new cases a day with 900 patients in the hospitals. Last week, I told you Dallas County reported 577 positive tests among school-aged kids during the last week of October. For the first week of November, they reported that 843 kids tested positive. States across the United States are looking at adding restrictions and new lockdowns as cases surge. Republican and Democrat governors are making decisions to try to stop this spread. This is not political. COVID doesn't care whether you're an RRD or an independent. New Jersey, New Mexico, Washington, and California have already started implementing these restrictions. We do not have to wait for state orders to keep ourselves and our community safe, though. I'd like for you to avoid indoor dining, bars, and other crowded places. We know the grocery stores will be crowded over the coming days, but avoid shopping during peak hours or use grocery pickup or delivery services when possible. With Thanksgiving fast approaching and our COVID cases setting new records each day, I want to remind everyone how important it is to keep following the CDC and county recommendation. The safest way to celebrate Thanksgiving this year is with members of your own household. Hosting a large gathering would not only be irresponsible to the community, but also to our healthcare providers who have been working nonstop for the past 9 months. If you feel you must have guests over to celebrate, please follow the advice of the Dallas County Public Health Committee to try and keep you and your family safe. Limit your activities the days before Thanksgiving to minimize the risk of exposure, and they are recommending a 14-day quarantine. Now, I know most of us aren't going to do a 14-day quarantine, but I ask you to be cautious. Take precautions, wear your mask, avoid hugs and kisses, and try to remain 6 feet apart when possible. Wipe down common areas before your guests arrive and after they leave. Have hand sanitizers available for guest use throughout their stay. Have your celebrations outside if weather permits, or open your windows to ensure your home is well ventilated. When not eating, keep your mask on and ask your guests to do the same, and have extra masks available for guests who forget theirs. Thanksgiving is also looking different for me and my family this year. We normally have 50 at our house. We're limiting it to our family, and we're doing it outside this year. Our other family members, Rebecca's sister, she's having her family, my sister's having her family. We're all having our individual families in small groups, and as I said, we are having ours outside, and so is our sister-in-law. Now let's take a look at our 7-day rolling average. On Monday, November 16th, Dallas County hit a new record with over 1,800 reported cases, breaking the previous record set 2 days earlier on November 14th. Dallas County has seen almost 5,000 cases just in the last 3 days. Tarrant County reported 4 consecutive days of over 1,000 daily cases, and on Sunday, November 15th, they reported more than 1,500 cases. Daily cases in both Dallas and Tarrant County are rising at an alarming pace. On a personal note, I know more people with COVID right now personally than ever before. I haven't got it, but people in my family do, and we still are praying for our council member Jim Swafford, who's in the hospital on a ventilator, and Gary Bartell, who's still in the hospital on a ventilator. Sacrifice your social outings to help keep your family safe. Their lives are more important than a few hours of fun. If you are in need of a COVID test, visit our website, gptx.org/COVID-19 for locations in Grand Prairie and surrounding cities. Tarrant County added a new testing site at TCC Southeast Campus in Arlington. Testing is available 7 days a week, and you do not have to live in Tarrant County. In other news, as I told you last week, in order to avoid a large crowd gathering, the Prairie Lights Sneak a Peek Fun Run is going virtual this year. Register for the virtual event, and then on Saturday, November 21st, walk or run your favorite trail in town. There will be a photo contest hosted on Facebook for those who would like to share and show off their holiday gear. Families with little ones can enter the festive stroller competition. Decorate your stroller and submit pictures to prairielights@gptx.org by November 25th. Proceeds from this event benefit our Parks, Arts, and Recreation Department. The Prairie Lights Drive-Thru Holiday event will open Thanksgiving night, November 26th, and it runs through New Year's Eve, December 31st. Enjoy more than 5 million lights along the shores of beautiful Lynn Creek Park on Joe Pool Lake, all from the comfort and safety of your car. For more information on the virtual 5K or the drive-thru experience, visit prairielights.org. City Hall Plaza, just outside of City Hall, also has lights you can enjoy at no cost. Our trees have been wrapped in beautiful holiday lights, and the Liberty Bell has a curtain of shimmering hanging lights. This year we will not have a tree lighting ceremony, but our tree will be displayed as usual outside of the City Hall at 300 West Main Street. Check our website and social media pages for more information. As a reminder, there will be no trash or recycling collection on Thanksgiving Day, Thursday, November 26th. Please set your trash and or recycling out on your next scheduled collection day. Now I have some exciting news to share with you. The city has just entered into an agreement with Major League Cricket on a long-term lease agreement to begin an extensive redevelopment of Air Hawk Stadium as the organization's first major cricket stadium in the United States. The redevelopment of the venue is scheduled for 2021 and will launch by 2022 as a world-class cricket venue and home base for the U.S. Cricket national team and its premier high-performance center. Cricket is the second most popular sport internationally behind soccer and is gaining popularity in the United States. Major League Cricket will feature top players from around the globe while also providing an opportunity for domestic cricketers to showcase their talents to a global audience. Besides the Dallas club that will be based here in Grand Prairie, MLC will feature 5 other franchises from major cities across the United States, including New York, LA, San Francisco, Chicago, and Atlanta. The inaugural season will commence in 2022 and bring world-class professional cricket to America for the first time. Let's talk about baseball a little bit. I know many of you may be disappointed that we're not going to have baseball there anymore, but we gave baseball every opportunity to succeed. The last few years we've been working really hard with Donnie Nelson, the owner of the franchise, and he tried very, very hard. Donnie and the city of Grand Prairie came to a mutual understanding that it was time to move on. We've been working with cricket for the past 2 years, but we did not want to move too fast because we wanted to give baseball every opportunity. I think everyone will be excited once they see the new stadium and see how many people will come and enjoy it here in Grand Prairie. Finally, thank you to everyone who has been celebrating my mayor's 70 for 70 program. The celebration theme for the week of November 23rd is Connect. Here are some ways you can celebrate by connecting. Call 7 friends just to say hello. Post a photo of you and your pet and use the hashtag Mayor Jensen 70 for 70. Visit the city's website, gptx.org. Follow the city's Facebook and Instagram page at City of GPTX. Download the MyGPTX app. And if you're watching this video, chances are you are already connecting with us through our YouTube channel. The celebration theme for the week of November 30th is Inspire, and here are 3 ways you can celebrate that week. Mail me a birthday card to the address you see on the screen. Mail out 7 holiday cards. Rake leaves for someone else. Get involved. Be kind. This week, my avatar can be found at Rodriguez Bakery, The Epic, Bar and Book at Lone Star Park, GPISD Administration Office, and all 3 high schools, Grand Prairie, South Grand Prairie, and Dubisky. I was even part of the South Grand Prairie soccer team earlier this week. I scored a goal. You can find my avatar the week of November 23rd through the 29th at Home Depot, Jake's Burgers, and the Starbucks along Westchester, among other places. Remember to tag me in your celebrations and use the hashtag Mayor Jensen 70 for 70. For a full list of celebration opportunities, including avatar locations, scavenger hunt details, and mural addresses, visit gptx.org/70 for 70. We will not be posting the mayor's message the week of Thanksgiving, so I hope you all have a safe and happy holidays, and I'll see you in December. Until then, be safe, stay masked, be kind, and socially distance.